What is up, guys? Well, today we're going to talk about one of the most dangerous firearms that I own. I know what you're thinking. Big things come in small packages. The ammo for this firearm, well, let me just show you. It's killed more lives than any firearm ever around. Out of ammo? Got you covered. Magazines even have a mirror on them so you can check your lipstick. Don't smoke? You can light candles with it, or fireworks. Comes with 3 mags, and if you run out of fuel, you can refill it like this. And you can adjust the flame size.